Attention Walmart shoppers! Welcome to the channel, you guys. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Hart, Walmart's new own tool brand, right? Basically, Walmart said, hey, we need to start competing against the big boys, Lowe's, Home Depot, everybody else, and let's get some tools out there. And you know, a lot of people are like, oh, nobody buys stuff at tools at Walmart, but yeah, they do. A lot of DIY guys, and not only that, I mean, where else can you go at 1 o'clock in the morning and get a drill? Walmart. Mm-hmm. And they used to have just, you know, very slim pickings. You used to have Black & Decker and then some weird branded names, but now they have a really solid brand. And when I say solid brand, this is comparable to another big box brand. It's made by the same manufacturer, and it's pretty much the same as you can find in a big box store.
No, and I agree with you too. I don't think, like, I never looked at Walmart. Like, I shop at Walmart. I never looked at them going for tools because one time I went in there, I thought it was chaotic around the tool thing. There's so many different brands. It just didn't match. There was stuff like that.
Right.
That wasn't my thing. It's nice to have your own brand because guess what? There are a lot of people who shop at Walmart. We're one of the largest shopping retailers in the entire world. So when people go there, hey, I'm going to get a homeowner brand. I'm going to get that. And then guess what? They can go back there time and time again and get the bare tools, get whatever else they need. So I think this is a huge step for Walmart.
Yeah, and not only that, you know, I mean, now they have a 20-volt battery line, which leads to other things, OPE. I mean, you know, obviously we're going through a situation right now where, you know, this whole virus thing is freaking everybody out. So what's important? Backup power, right? Now if you have this kit, you have 20-volt batteries, you can plug these on it, and look, they have little USB ports right on them, so you're able to charge you know, your batteries, your phones, your whatever. So
yeah. So this kit, this model number is
HPCK
402B. So it's a 4-piece kit. Comes with two 20-volt batteries and a charger.
Right. They're 1.5 amp hour batteries, you guys. So they're not like, you know, crazy. You're not going to be building a house with this or anything like that. But for any maintenance task, any DIY task, these things are going to be more than ample for that job. Right. Here we have the Impact. Obviously, how are they cutting costs? This whole kit is $178 at this time. And how are they cutting costs, right? Well, they're cutting costs by just going with true technology, right? True tried technology. Instead of saying, hey, let's make this thing small, compact, you know, thin things up. Let's go with, hey, what we've had for years and that works, let's put it in these tools, right? Mm-hmm. New branding, new colors, nice rubber overmold. I mean, this tool actually does feel nice in the hand, right? It's a nice Impact. On here with the drill, same scenario. We have a 2-speed drill right here, but we also have a clutch, right? Yeah, it's got a plastic chuck on it, but that's the price point. Right here we have the clutch. So the great thing about clutch is, Eric, is if you're, what?
Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was a rhetorical question.
Well, I was, but then I just said, let's get Eric talking.
Well, you can actually just basically step up. You can take the drill to what you need it to do. Like, so whatever you're doing. So if you're doing something delicate, you can lower the clutch. If you're doing something where you need more power, you raise the clutch.
Right. If you're putting in cabinets, if you're putting in a screw, I mean, you know, these things are powerful. They will strip things, right? So you dial in that clutch, and then you're able to hear the clutch right there. Yeah. So you know it's just boom, hand tight. You know, go to the next level, just to tighten things. And I think that's huge for the DIY person, the homeowner, because you're not stripping things. That's nothing crazier than when you're building something and you strip that screw, because now you got problems. How are you gonna get that screw to grab? You either got to get a bigger screw, put something in there. It's just a complete nightmare. Over here, what do we got, Eric?
We got a reciprocating saw. Again, no thrills. It's not, you know, this is a homeowner brand. The whole thing of this is designed, like Dan was saying, it's not to build a house. This whole thing is designed for a homeowner. Why spend $500 on a kit when you can spend, what do you say, $180? If it's gonna be sitting on the shelf a lot, but you still have it. And the nice thing about lithium batteries, in case you don't know, is once you charge them, they can sit on the shelf for a while and they don't lose that charge. So in 6 months you need it, it's still a full charge battery. So this is their reciprocating saw. Again, no thrills. It does have a pivoting shoe. It does not extend, does not have orbital action or anything like that. But I gotta be honest, I know Dan won't pick it up because of what's going on, but it actually doesn't have a bad feel to it. You know, some of the homeowner brands that I've seen that have reciprocating saws, they're extremely heavy. This one is not bad at all. And this is perfect. I mean, if you're cutting some fencing outside, cutting branches, whatever you're doing, all sorts of different things. Cutting some 2x4s, just doing a tiny bit of demo work around the house, perfect for that.
Yeah, and like Eric said, you know, I mean, basically what we're looking at, you guys, these days is you're not looking at tools. You're looking at a battery platform, right? You're looking at getting into this battery, because this battery is going to open up so many things. In your garage, it's going to open up compressors. It's going to open up inflators, buffers, vacuums, stuff like that. In your house, you know, they might have a floor vac. I think they have a floor vac where you can, you know,
they do have a
battery in there.
They do, and I think knowing Walmart, and if they do it right, and I think they will do it right, is to take this 20-volt platform and they can build it into so much. Like you were saying, vacuums, like inverters, so many different things you can do. I mean, because you have that consumer that's going right there, and you can get into so many things with the OPE and all that. How nice is it for a homeowner to have a one battery platform to be able to do so many different things around the house?
On a budget.
On a budget, yeah, exactly.
I mean,
Huge.
$178, you go into another brand, you're just buying a drill. You're just
Without
buying
a battery
an
or
impact.
anything. Yeah.
This is a whole complete kit. With that light too, it goes on 2x4s.
Yeah, so you got a light, will go on 2x4s. You don't have a 2x4 here, but it goes on 2x4s. You can adjust the light. LED light, no thrills or anything like that, but it's nice to have around if you're doing any type of work, you just need it or anything like that. So it's nice to have with the kit.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Let's go run it. Let's see what this stuff can do, all right? Let's do it. All right, guys, so here's the drill. You know, obviously, we're going to drill through. We're just going to see. That's a big bit. What is that?
5/8.
5/8 bit. So that's a lot of bit, right?
It's a lot of it.
Yeah. Why don't you put it on speed 2? Let's see what it does in speed 2 first.
Ready?
Yep. Wow.
Yeah, it's not bad, man.
Yeah.
Right? Seriously.
That thing's not bad.
So this is an 1.5" spade bit. Let's try this.
So this is a 1.5 inch spade.
1.5.
That's a big bit.
That's a big bit.
It's a lot of power needed. All right, so that was not bad. Right?
Not bad at all.
What's next?
So let's
do
try
some
the impact.
Yeah, let's do some impacting. So you guys, I mean, pretty much, Eric, you know, for the normal homeowner,
Yeah,
you're going to be able to drill holes. Obviously, if you got 1,000 holes to drill, not going to happen. But that drill actually went through pretty good on speed 1, I feel.
Yeah.
Wow, that thing's pretty quick.
Yeah, this one I'm gonna actually drive all the way through. It's pretty good.
Wow.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah, oh well.
Okay.
All
right, let's
more,
see.
that's pretty cool. Too.
No, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, you know what? It's impressive. For what did you say? $180?
Yeah, for $180. I mean, here, you're getting a kit that's going to get everything done.
So here's the light. I don't know if you can see it on the wall.
I mean, the light's a light. It's got a cool little
yeah.
design to it.
Like you said, 2x4.
Yeah, it just fits right on a 2x4. So if you're working in the attic, something like that, you can put it on there.
Yep.
And remember, you guys, the battery works on everything. If you see up there, we got more tools we're going to be showing you guys, but that's like the buffer, the sander, all kinds of cool stuff. You know, a big spotlight. So Eric's going to show us the recip saw now. I like that you're supporting Tools in Action with your shirt.
I like how you guys did that too.
Yeah, I don't.
Oh wait, you're right. You don't.
Wait, before we start, is that just, there's no switches, orbital, anything, it's just all one go?
Yeah, it's just
Okay, so just pull the trigger and go, variable
Yep.
speed. Not bad, eh?
Not bad. It's got a little bit of vibration to it compared to some of the other ones we did, but I actually, you know what? I mean, you can see right there. Again, for the homeowner, you're not going to be using this 8 hours a day. You know, this is
Right.
perfect.
Right, and you guys, $178 we're talking here, right? I mean, obviously, we're a big tool channel. We have everybody from contractors down to DIY people, stuff like that. What this is telling me is that the DIY person, you're going to be more than ample to get everything done with these tools. And I think
Easily.
that in this economy and the way things are, you kind of want to be in that budget, right? I mean, granted, some people are high-end tool guys, you know, just like some people buy Porsches, right?
Yeah.
But some people can get away with Toyotas. This is probably the Toyota of tools, right? It's cheap, it's inexpensive, it works, it gets the job done. It's no thrills.
Well
High five.
said.
Peace out, you guys. Don't forget to go check out our stuff, Instagram, all that good stuff. We love you. Don't forget to go to Walmart and let us know what you guys think by commenting below. Remember, this is for a certain audience, right? But so far, it's kind of impressed us, right?
Oh, I
I mean,
think
dude, if we had a Black & Decker, that wouldn't even go through that.
No, I would take that over. That, yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely take that over Black & Decker
Easily.
any day. And I'm not ripping on Black & Decker, but Black & Decker is like for grandmas.
For what?
Grandmas?
Yeah.
Grandma,
great
grandpa.
grandmothers.
Well, yeah, because, you know, that's like, I don't know. Peace out.
They're what?
What?
Huh.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.